Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a skirt with this really pretty fabric that I found. You know, when I first got this fabric, I didn't know what I wanted to make yet. When I was at the fabric store, Andrew actually pointed it out, and I was like, okay, yeah, I really like it. So I got a yard of it and then brought it home, and it stayed in my closet actually for like a few days or maybe a few weeks. And then I was like, okay, I need to get some inspiration and finally make something. So today is the day. For the fabric, I wanted to show you a little closer, but there is like a little mesh on it and some embroidery flowers that are really pretty with multicolored thread. And I really love it because it's kind of similar to roses. And if you guys didn't know, roses are my favorite flower. I even got it tattooed on my arm, so thank you so much to Matt for making this happen. Like, I love it, and every time I look at it, I'm like, wow, it's so pretty. So thank you, Matt. I just want to get more. All right, so I just printed out the pattern. We're gonna see how this all works out. I usually don't use patterns. Usually it's like freestyle for me. Like, I'll just create it from my mind, or I will get one of my like past clothing that I've bought and just trace it and just figure it out in the process of making something. But usually it's on Etsy, so I'll look around on there and see how it turns out. All right, so this skirt had a few like trial and errors. I did use a pattern, but I'm not gonna end up using it anymore just because when I tried to like put it on the table and tried to put the fabric on to match it, it wasn't working out because it wanted like the two sides to have like an opening and sewn, but I wanted it only to open up on one side, if that makes sense. So we're just gonna save that pattern for another day. And I decided to just make a circle skirt. So Andrew helped me too with finding instructions how to measure for a circle skirt, and it turned out really good. I'm really excited to show you like the final product. All right, so here it is. I think it's so pretty and it turned out like really good. I know in my mind it was more like longer and a straighter cut, but when I decided to just make the circle skirt, it turned out way better than I had imagined. It is like double layer, so it's not super see-through, but still a little, you know. And the bottom, I cut it, but it's has like a raw edge on the bottom, so I wanted to cover it up just with a little trim. So I took it off like the remaining fabric and just added this green trim on there. I did hand sew it, so it did take a few hours, but I just put on a show on my phone and just sewed during the same time, and it went by pretty fast, so I didn't mind it at all. It's really cool too because I got a like hook to attach like the skirt instead of a zipper. When I went to the store, the only zippers that they had were like huge ones, like they were for backpacks, and that's not pretty to put on a skirt. Imagine like a big ass backpack zipper on a skirt. I think that would ruin the look. Well, anyways, I didn't go with that one. And here is like the one opening that I was talking about, just so I can unhook this and then put on the skirt instead of having the opening on this side and also this side. I wanted like the pattern to kind of flow and just all connect. Alright, so next plan is to put a cute outfit together, probably for a night out, and then take some cute photos. We just finished date night. We went to Santana Row and walked around and had some dinner, and we shot some photos of my skirt, and now we're just gonna head home. Thank you guys for watching. I'll show you guys the final photos at the end of this video, and I'll see you next time.